Hello students, welcome to this session. In this session, we are going to deal with the another example for how a SDT scheme is evaluated. Come to the objective, we are going to understand the concept of SDT scheme evaluation. So, what is a SDT scheme? Already we know if we are attaching the semantic rules for the grammar, such is known as SDT, and the evaluation of that particular semantic rules is comes under SDT scheme. There are various types of SDT schemes like S attributed SDT and L attributed SDT. Depend upon the need, we are going to use these two type of SDTs. Here we are going to discuss about for the given SDT process the string 4A's and BCC. So, to process this one, to process the string, we have to develop the parse tree as capital A tends to small a, capital B. So, here two A's are generated. So, this portion is completed. Then from B, I can write capital A and small c. So, this one also completed. From capital A, again I have to write AAB as A and capital B. That means again two A's are generated. So, this portion is also completed. So, now I have to generate this particular BC only. Okay. From capital B, we can write AC. So, capital A and small c. Here C is also generated. Now, I have to generate only this B as here we have capital A. So, from capital A it is small b. So, now my string is generated. From this string, now I have to evaluate these particular semantic rules, then I get the result. So, now come for evaluation. So, I started with here. So, when is A tends to B is there, that means come to the second production. If A is reduced to B, so when the B is assigned to A, what I have to perform? We have to perform the action 5. We have to perform the action print 5. So, I printed the 5. Then come to the next one. Now, AC is reduced to B. Already we assigned the B value to A. Now, AC is going to be reduced to B. Check the production. AC is going to reduce to B. So, the action is I have to print 6. So, when AC is reduced to B, I have to print the 6. Next, come to here. AAB is reduced to capital A. So, check here. AAB is reduced to capital A. If such reduction is there, I have to perform the action printing the 4. So, now I am going to print 4. Then, now check here, AC is reduced to B again. When AC is reduced to B again, what you have to do? We have to perform the action print 6. That means, I have to print 6 again. Then, you can check AAB is reduced to A. When AAB is reduced to A, what I have to do? I have to perform the action printing of 4. So, print 4 again. So, for this given string 4S BCC, the result is 56464. So, depend upon the evaluation order of the semantic rules, we get the different results. Okay.